Welcome. In this video, you'll learn about the new features we have added to edit the scheduled consignment quantity and the new barcode guidelines for a smooth selling experience. At Flipkart, we are committed to enhancing your selling experience with a more streamlined inwarding process. As you know, you send consignments to Flipkart warehouses across the country for easy and fast selling experience. However, consignments may occasionally be rejected due to discrepancies in the quantity sent or non-compliance with guidelines. With the recent updates to the Flipkart Seller Hub, you can now easily edit your scheduled quantity until label generation, reducing the chances of quantity mismatch during inwarding. Let's walk through the updated process of editing the scheduled consignment for quantity update. So, how you can access the new Edit Quantity feature on your seller portal? It's simple. Let's take a look. Under the Inventory tab, click on Consignment. Click on Schedule and select your consignment name. Before marking RTD, under the Quantity to Add Consignment column, enter the relevant quantity in the field. Next, click on Save Consignment. Please note, the quantity in the consignment can only be decreased by 20%. However, once edited, it can't be increased to the previous quantity. You'll not have the bulk option to edit the consignment quantity. Now, let's talk about the updated barcode printing guidelines. You are no longer required to provide a barcode for products if the EAN is already updated in the catalog. For products without an EAN, a barcode should be generated. Here's how to generate barcodes for such products. In the Dispatch section, where you previously edited consignment quantities, locate the Download and Paste Product Barcodes section. Under this, click on Download Barcodes PDF. You will be redirected to a page where you can select the FSNs for which you wish to download barcodes. Once selected, click Download to obtain the barcode PDF. Once downloaded, please ensure to paste the barcodes carefully onto the boxes. Please be aware that the barcode is required for products without an EAN. Products lacking barcodes will be subject to quality control rejection during warehouse inwarding. Now, let's look at how you can edit box quantity for a pickup type consignment. Under the Inventory tab, click on Consignment. Click on Schedule and select the dispatch type as Pickup. Select Confirm Dispatch. Under the Enter Details for Boxes Being Dispatched section, select Use Bulk Upload File or Use UI Box Creation Table. In this example, we'll use UI Box Creation Table and click on Add Box. Enter the relevant information into the Add Box Details section. Under the Product Details section, enter the respective FSN and quantity in box and click Save. Please note, in case you enter a quantity more than remaining quantity, you'll notice this error message. Additionally, it's mandatory to mention the quantity in box information. If it's blank, then the system will display an error message. For bulk upload, click on the Use Bulk Upload File, then click on the Download Bulk File. Enter details in the downloaded Excel file. Upload the same file without changing the file name and format by selecting Upload File. Now, let's look at how you can edit box quantity for a drop-in type consignment. Under the Inventory tab, click on Consignment. Click on Scheduled and select the dispatch type as drop-in. Select Confirm Dispatch. Under the Enter Details for Boxes Being Dispatched section, select Use Bulk Upload File or Use UI Box Creation Table. In this example, we'll use UI Box Creation Table and click on Add Box. Enter the relevant information into the Add Box Details section. Under the Product Details section, enter the respective FSN and quantity in box and click Save. For bulk upload, click on the Use Bulk Upload File, then click on the Download Bulk File. Enter details in the downloaded Excel file. Upload the same file without changing the file name and format by selecting Upload File. After editing the quantity, you can download the box labels to proceed. If there's a mismatch in the product quantity, the system will display an error message. Please note, to add FSN in the boxes, you have the option to edit, delete or copy to from the Action section. Post generating the labels or marking RTD for the consignment, you'll not be able to edit the quantity. The rest of the steps are the same as for the regular flow. Despite adhering to all the guidelines, consignments may occasionally be rejected due to barcode issues. To mitigate such occurrences, please follow these best practices for handling barcodes. First, make sure to paste the EAN or FSN barcode on every product. This ensures that each item is properly labeled. Second, if your product has an EAN barcode, verify that it is correctly mapped to the FSN. If you are unsure how to check this, please reach out to your Flipkart Spock for assistance. Third, ensure that the barcode is easily scannable. Products with barcodes that cannot be scanned will be rejected during warehouse processing. Finally, use high-quality printing to ensure that the barcode is clear and visible. Proper printing helps avoid any issues with readability. We hope this video has helped you in editing the scheduled consignment quantity and understanding the new barcode guidelines. Thank you and happy selling!